got things cleaned up. I put the drive pulley back in after I got that piece of rubber hose on it. Just like with the other one of these 120s that I did and had to redo the drive tire, I put the bobbin in place and aligned this switch for the bobbin cutoff with the bobbin to tighten this pulley in place. So now with that drive pulley in place and the oiling all done and the machine moving, and just make sure that our presser foot lever is up so that this back cover slips in place. There we go. And we'll get our 2 screws in that. The other one of these that I worked on was for a customer, so it wasn't in a case or anything. But this one, the cabinet lock is actually above, so you don't have to tip the machine out to unlock the hinges, which is honestly real clever and should have been the way they just kept making machines, because having the screws available here to tighten the cabinet hinges was really convenient. And we've got our presser foot spring. There's a rod that it fits on top of the presser bar, and then our cap here screws in place. And it looks like I'll need to oil that presser a bit more. I had it wiggling, but a lot of area in there for goop to build up. Let's see, I think next I'll have to do the tensioner. Got our bobbin winding tension button to drop on the end here. So just put it in place and set our screw in. And then this will adjust to even up the winding when we get to testing our bobbin winder. The needle plate back on. This has that long skinny needle plate that looks a lot like slides from a shuttle machine, but it's got 4 screws and comes off in one piece. And I've never seen the accessory set for one of these machines, so I don't know if there are other needle plates or how any of the accessories might attach to this machine. But and then of course the last thing I'll have to do after I throw the foot on is actually rewire it, because I don't have the knee lever for the controller that is built into the base of this machine, and I don't want to make one, but also if a machine is portable, then the knee lever is not a very popular option with a lot of folks. So it'll be a lot simpler for me to just rewire this than to get invested in building a knee lever for it. So, oh, and this foot is not aligned. I'll have to straighten that out. Not a good way to wish I'd noticed that before I took the foot off. I'm gonna have to pop the back cover open and straighten that out, but it's just like a lot of other most other machines. Just get at the set screw in the lift and loosen it so you can align everything and then put it back down.